Hello. Yon. Today is May 18, 2024. Late celebration ng birthday ni husband and we're going to Taipei, Taiwan. So today's video, pupunta kami ng Taiwan para mag-enjoy lang at mawala ang kaprasong stress. Happy birthday! Let's go. Date 105. 105. Hindi nga seryoso, B. Okay. Okay, so nag-boarding kami. I did not expect na ganun niya ipopronounce yung pangalan ni Sir. Sir, paano niya sinabi?
Melbourne.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Hindi, nasa kabila ako. Kaya haba pa ka lang